Hello everyone, welcome you all back, and today we are going to see how we can create a repository in GitHub, and how we can push the code from our local repository to GitHub. So let's get started. So if you can see, I have logged into my GitHub account, and if you see on the left hand side, you can see the two repositories are already created. So if you want to create a new repository, you need to go to this new button, give it any name, my first repository. Give it any description, whatever you want. You can keep it public or private based on your requirement. Once you do this, you can add this files as per your need, or else you can just go ahead and create the repository. Okay, so once this is done, you need to go to the project which you have created, or you can just create a new project. Okay, you can after that you can add some file in the project so that you can see the changes in the GitHub. So let's create some file over here. Let's leave this name as it is, add some content in this file. Okay, just save the file and close it. Once you do that, you need to go to the path, write cmd and enter. So it will open a console. Here what you need to do is do git init to initialize a local repository. So once you do this, it will initialize the local repository at the same location where you have your project. Once you do that, you need to do git add space dot. So this command will add all the files in that folder or in your project folder to the git local repository. Okay, so to see whether the file has been added or not, you can check git status. So if you see you are in master branch and the file is added, right? New file is there. So once you do this, you need to commit your code. Git commit -m is for message. You can type the message. This is my first git commit, right? So once you do that, you can see the file has been added, right? Now you need to connect your local repository to the GitHub repository. So for that, you need to type git remote add origin. After that, you need to go to that repository and you can copy this URL. Once you do that, you need to paste it here, and the command will be git remote add origin and the URL. So we have connected our local git to the GitHub repository. Now we need to push the files in the local to the GitHub repository. For that the command is git push -u origin master. Okay, so this will push the local things to the GitHub repository. So it might take some time based on the size or the number of files you have in your local repository. Okay, so this is done, right? So let's go to our repository and see. Okay, so I'll go to my repository. If you see, I'm in master branch and I can see this file over here, right? So hope you have understood the concept and everything. So please do like, share and subscribe if you find any value in this video. Thanks for watching.